Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Selenium Grid on Docker. First, ensure you have Docker and Docker Compose installed. Docker Desktop is the easiest way to get started, providing a complete environment. This setup allows you to run your tests in parallel, significantly reducing execution time and improving efficiency. We will walk through each step to get your grid operational quickly. Next, we'll create a Docker Compose YAML file. This file defines your Selenium hub and node services, specifying their images, ports, and any required environment variables. For example, you'll map port 4444 for the hub and link the nodes to it. This configuration simplifies managing your grid components with a single command. With your Docker Compose YAML file ready, launch your grid by running Docker Compose upd in your terminal. The D flag runs it in detached mode. You can then access the Selenium Hub console, typically on port 4444, to confirm all nodes are registered and ready. Scaling your grid is straightforward. Simply use Docker Compose upscale to add or remove nodes as needed. Finally, update your test configurations to point to the Selenium Hub's address, usually localhost 4444. You can now execute your automated tests, leveraging the parallel processing capabilities of your Dockerized Selenium Grid. This setup dramatically speeds up your testing cycles. Don't forget to check the description below for the link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. This powerful speaker can bring your favorite music and smart home control to any room.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.